Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 5G, the compact powerhouse. You hold definitive flagship power and sacrifice nothing. The market leads with Galaxy. Experts praise the hardware, reviewers love the display, and users trust the smart features. This Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy drives performance. The Cortex-X4 core reaches 3.39 GHz, launching apps instantly. The 4nm architecture dissipates heat efficiently, and the X75 5G modem holds signals, keeping you connected everywhere. The screen shines brighter with 2,600 nits of peak brightness. Vision Booster adapts the color. A refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz saves battery on static text and provides buttery smooth scrolling. Galaxy AI breaks language barriers. The phone translates calls in real time. Split-screen text connects two people, allowing you to read face-to-face conversations across languages. Galaxy AI saves your time. With Circle to Search, Google instantly finds the answer to any object you circle. Note Assist summarizes long documents, and Generative Edit lets you move objects and photos, while AI fills the missing background perfectly. You carry a professional studio in your pocket. The 50 megapixels primary camera with OIS captures true-to-life details. The 12 megapixels ultra-wide captures sweeping landscapes, and the 10 megapixels telephoto achieves 3x optical zoom for portraits. Software enhances every memory. The Pro Visual Engine refines color and reduces noise. Nightography makes dark scenes look clear and natural. Instant Slow-Mo uses AI to generate intermediate frames, turning standard 8K video into epic slow motion. Smart Power lasts all day with a 4,000 mAh battery. You can watch video for up to 29 hours and charge to 50% in 30 minutes with 25W wired charging. You can also share power wirelessly to your watch or buds. The design stays beautiful and durable. Enhanced Armor Aluminum resists drops and scratches. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 survives heavy impact, and the IP68 rating means the phone survives 1.5 meters of water. You invest in 7 years of security. Samsung provides 7 years of OS upgrades and security patches. Your phone stays current, and your investment lasts longer, protecting you until 2031. The Galaxy S24 5G is the perfect fit for your life. It's ideal for the one-handed user, weighing only 167 grams. The mobile gamer benefits from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and the professional can rely on AI to summarize meetings, backed by 7 years of support. Premium power costs less. The 8GB 128GB model starts at 43,499 rupees, and the 8GB 256GB model starts at 49,999 rupees. You get definitive flagship power and undercut the competition. Bigger is not always better. The Galaxy S24 5G is the definitive modern smartphone. Take flagship power home today.